Attention. Anyone who thinks it's too hard or too confusing to have a normal life balance during pandemic. Discover the simplest method for creating the normal life balance, so you can create a balance in your life. This course, New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic, helps you create a plan. This course will help you learn how to benefit from excluding activities that are waste of time and energy, so you can focus. You will learn about more self-awareness and learn how to make time for self-improvement and career advancements. You will learn the benefits of allowing ample time for work and relaxation. The limitations of Google. While I was able to get an overview on New Normal Life Balance during pandemic, I wasn't able to find the do this, do that, step-by-step guide I wanted. Which was annoying because I wasn't interested in spending hours on end trying to figure this stuff out. I also didn't want to sift through tons of useless information. Of course, that's exactly what happened. Before I knew it, I'd have dozens of browser tabs open and half my day would be gone. Worse still, I'd be more confused than I was before I started. It seemed like the people who wrote articles about this kind of stuff couldn't agree on anything. It was super frustrating. After coming across conflicting advice more times than I could count, I started paying more attention to who was actually offering the advice. What I discovered left me dumbfounded. They have no real experience. They only say they know, but they don't. They only write articles. They just write blogs. I teach this course in a very simple manner and walk you through step by step of how to attain work-life balance during the pandemic. Virtually everyone who wants to have balanced life during the pandemic goes through something similar. Along the way, most of them decide the process is too difficult, confusing, frustrating, time-consuming. That's why plenty of smart people give up on their dreams of relaxing. It's just a huge pain to figure out all the details when you've got little free time and bills to pay. I totally understand that because I went through it all myself. And while I did manage to make sense of it eventually, it took more months than I care to think about, countless 16-hour workdays, a lot of banging my head against the wall before I reached the conclusion. The good news is that you don't need to go through that, because I'm about to share with you the absolute easiest way for you to start balancing your life during the pandemic. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. Hi, I'm Mansoor Sahel. I've created dozens and dozens of products to sell online, everything from ebooks, audiobooks to video courses. As a result of my success, I've been able to do things in my life that I never dreamed were possible, like give hundreds of thousands of dollars to non-profits. The good news is that today, I have this wonderful course, New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic, to offer. The good news is that I learned from those mistakes, and today, I have this wonderful course, New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic, to offer. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. I haven't forgotten how hard it was when I first started out. Back then, I really wished there was some kind of instruction manual, something I could turn to that would show me step by step exactly how to make a course. That's why I'm excited to tell you about my course, New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic. The New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic is your easy, step-by-step guide. And, because I give you many great ideas throughout the course, it even works if you don't know where to start. In the New Normal Life Balance During Pandemic, I show you the easiest ways to create a balance in your life during this pandemic, and fight against pandemic and balance your life. My course leaves nothing to chance. If there's a desire to achieve balance in your life during this pandemic, I teach you how to make it happen. My course is designed to help you succeed. Did you know you can learn to schedule transitions, create plans, and learn how to benefit from excluding activities that are waste of time and energy, so you can focus? You will learn to use the secret time-saving tactic I teach in my course. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. It's so amazing that I promise you it works even if you're not you can be. You don't think you're any good at, you will be. You worry you. I'll show you. You think, it won't be. Commit to your success today. Right now, you're reading this because there's something you want more of. Either you want more relaxation, or you wish you had more time, or you'd like to feel a greater sense of pride about your normal life. You can have all those things with the new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic course. You can have all those things with the new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic course. Start each day with enthusiasm and a greater sense of purpose. Let me tell you more about what you'll get with new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic. Course outline. Work-life balance definition and how the pandemic is changing work-life balance. Signs that your work-life balance is out of whack. Ways to improve work-life balance while working from home. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. Let me reveal just some of what you'll learn in the new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic. Learn how to make work-life balance plan. Learn how to benefit from excluding activities that are waste of time and energy. Learn what are the benefits of work delegation and outsourcing. Learn benefits of allowing ample time for work and relaxation. Learn benefits of setting work priorities. Learn when to do calls and when to do paperwork. Learn to plan your family's travels to avoid disruptions to your job. Learn when overachievers may want to consider reducing back on his or her efforts. Learn how can you have fewer health problems. Learn how can you have greater output. Learn how to have fewer of burnouts. Learn about more self-awareness. Learn how to set realistic goals for yourself. Learn why should you schedule your transitions properly. Learn why you should set up a schedule. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. Bonuses. Plus, in addition to the 15 video lessons you'll get with the course, I've also included them in MP3 format, so you can download and listen to the lessons on your way to work, at the gym, or even in the shower. In addition, you will get an audiobook, an ebook, and other bonuses. There is literally nothing else on the market that'll take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to do to. It's the most comprehensive, new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic course you'll find on the market today. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. Check out some of the amazing results people have gotten with the new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic. I learned so much that once I completed the course, I knew what I had to do to start living my life normally during this pandemic. Thanks, Mansoor. Quote, when I was creating this course, I had two options. The first was to skimp on the value by keeping the course super short and charging less money. The second was to pack the course with as much valuable information as I could, so you have the absolute greatest chance of duplicating my success. I chose the second option, because I really want you to succeed and have a normal life during this pandemic. And the best way I know to help you do that is to share with you everything I've learned, so you have all the same know-how I do. So let's talk about how you can get started with the course. I'm offering the new Normal Life Balance During Pandemic for just one easy payment of $47. That's almost 75% off its regular retail price of $199. Let me tell you why an investment in this course is so important. Know this course will teach you how to live a normal life during pandemic. Know you can be really successful in achieving the normal life balance during pandemic, and, most importantly, know that unless you put money on the line today, you probably won't follow through with this. even though it's the absolute easiest way to achieve the normal life balance. That investment will give you many reasons to take this course seriously and make it work for you. You're investing a small amount of money now so you have the means to create the better life for yourself. I urge you to invest in the new normal life balance during pandemic course, today. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com. Plus, you have absolutely nothing to lose by doing that, because I'm offering a 30-day 100% risk-free guarantee. Try the new normal life balance during pandemic. Take the lessons and apply what you learned. Again, you get all this really valuable information for a small one-time investment of $47. Let me just quickly sum up what you're going to get with the new normal life balance during pandemic. Again, you get all this really valuable information for a small one-time investment of $47. But let me tell you why this course is an even better value. Unfortunately, those mistakes are expensive, often costing hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. In the new normal life balance during pandemic, I show you how to prevent those mistakes, by the way, that would cost you far more than the price of this course. And again, if you're not satisfied for any reason at all, I offer a full 30-day, no questions asked refund. Try the new normal life balance during pandemic, and if you don't like it for any reason, you don't pay a penny. There is literally nothing else on the planet that will take you by the hand and show you the exact steps you need to take to. But you have to act now. So, to get started, click the payment button below, enter your details, and you'll get immediate online access to the new normal life balance during pandemic. This is the very first time I'm making the new normal life balance during pandemic available at this price. While I priced it to be affordable for everyone, there's a chance I'll lose money on this deal. I won't know that until I see what the demand for it is. For that reason, I can't promise that if you come back later, you'll still be able to get the new normal life balance during pandemic for just $47. You have one of two options. Ignore this and keep doing what you're doing. Or, make a small risk-free investment in your future. So, start now by clicking the payment button below and entering your details. Once you do, you'll get immediate online access to the new normal life balance during pandemic. Then decide if the class is worth it to you. If you decide it isn't, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your money. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. All I ask is that, once you start after taking the new normal life balance during pandemic, you shoot me an email and let me know. I love hearing how my course has changed people's lives. It's one of the most rewarding things about what I do. Thanks for your time. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to create a new normal life balance during this pandemic. Buy our products now. Visit us. mylearningcenter.teachable.com.